and representation of
that is not enforced on the ground. So can you talk about how you view those ceasefires, how you view their implementation or non-implementation, and what the current military situation in this area is?
نشوف انعاش اقتصادي مثل ما ذكرت بالبدايه انه رفعنا قانون قيصر عن شمال وشرق سوريا وقلنا حبر على ورق يعني مثل.
They should deal with the autonomous administration. This also have
كحليف مع الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية يجب التصويت على محاربة الإرهاب.
They said we will prohibit Turkey to occupy or assault the region of NES.
وصارت في مجازر دموية للأسف راح ضحيتها من شعبنا في شمال وشرق سوريا بالمئات، فأنجمت عن قتل الأطفال، عن تدمير حتى الشجر والحجر.
This institute, which is based in Washington, D.C., trying to get a better understanding of the immediate security, political, and humanitarian situation here, with a particular focus on the impact of U.S. policies and the way in which they are promoting or not promoting stability and security in this region. Here in Ain Issa, the impression that I've seen is that the situation is very difficult. The communities here who suffered so much and made so many sacrifices to defeat ISIS on the ground in collaboration with the global coalition have been left alone by the entire international community to face Turkish occupation on their borders and daily violations of US and Russian brokered ceasefires that neither major guarantor power is willing to enforce. I'm hearing that Turkish drone strikes and artillery strikes are harming civilians, damaging civilian infrastructure, and limiting the ability of local SDF security forces to fight ISIS. The economic crisis that's impacted all of Syria is a serious challenge here, and people are telling me that that relates directly to the security situation as well, creating instability and allowing radical groups to recruit. And I'm hearing that the people who were displaced in 2019, when the entire world's eyes were on northeast Syria and governments and international organizations condemned the tragedy of the Turkish attack and the crimes they committed during their occupation, these people now, to international silence, are suffering without the resources they need to meet their basic needs.